So very good afternoon to all of you, my dear esteemed participants who are on the line to see this virtual valedictory function of our 2 days international webinar, COVID-19 Lives and Livelihood. At the outset, let me welcome all of you who are on the line for this 2 days vigorous exercise is going to be completed after few minutes. Actually, 10 days back, we conceived the idea, a small dream project, to have a webinar state-wise, but it came as a gigantic event, what I feel today. Friends, this is gigantic in the sense, it is unique in many sense. This is first of its kind in the state, in the international field. We have organized this webinar. Secondly, it is 100% online, and the most important thing is that 805 participants from 22 states of the country, they are participating in this webinar. And 12 foreigners, 12 participants from the 8 countries, they are participating in this seminar. Also, the other uniqueness is that 153 papers are being presented in these seminars by 200 paper presenters. And it is completely a 2 days seminar and virtually started at 11 a.m. yesterday and going to be completed by 6 p.m. today. And the other important thing what I want to tell you, it is free of cost. That means there is no registration fee charged for this particular purpose. And we have 9 technical sessions, and for which we have got 18 keynote speakers for the purpose, and 22 professors from the different parts of this country, they have participated in this seminar. Friends, this for present valedictory function, we have many dignitaries who are supposed to be in the dance, but unfortunately because of this COVID, they are sitting in their laptops and they are acting in different authorities in this valedictory functions. We have amongst us Professor Ashok Kumar Das, the Vice Chairman of Odisha Higher Education Commission, was the former Vice Chancellor of Utkal University, Bhubaneswar, and the former eminent bark scientist of Bombay. I personally and on behalf of the KIT welcome Professor Ashok Kumar Das, the chief guest for this valedictory function. Thank you, sir, for being present. We have amongst us Professor R.S. Pradhan, with the visiting faculty from the Florida State University, America. He is at Kathmandu, Nepal. I also welcome Professor Pradhan to this August valedictory function as a guest of honor. We have the other gentleman, Professor Kumar Bardas, the chief economist of the World Bank, who is acting in Russia, as the guest of honors too. And we have our seminar director, Professor Sasmita Samant, the Pro-Vice Chancellor of the KIT in this meeting. Friends, let me tell you very frankly, the idea what we have initiated to start this particular seminar, it started with one thing, that a quotation quoted by one of the participants, जान है तो जहान है, और कोई ने बोला नहीं जान भी चाहिए जहान भी चाहिए, जान भी और जहान भी, और कोई भी बोला नहीं जान है तो जान भी है. So with this topic, with this idea, we put the name as lives and livelihood. Of course, somebody wanted that it should be lives or livelihood. So anyway, the Paper presenters, about what I can simply say that 153 papers were presented, and the number of registration, as I have already told you, 805 participants for last 2 days. They are actively engaged in their paper presentations. The areas, what they covered is something unique in the sense that they have got impact on area of discussion was impact of COVID on economy, overall sectoral analysis, education, hotel industry, working environment, healthcare and hospitality, stock market, government measures, agriculture, supply chain management, effect on lifestyle, effect on business, MSME, post-COVID effect, lockdown effect, and CSR and environment, social and livelihood, employment, and e-commerce. Like many other areas are being covered during the discussions by the players. Friends, during this discussion, there is an inauguration function at yesterday at 11 a.m. where Professor R.K. Singh, the professor and head and dean of the Delhi University of Commerce, was the chief guest. Professor Sujit Dubey, IMS from Banaras Hindu University, was the guest of honor. Professor Terin Pereira from Sheffield Hallam University, UK, was the guest of honor. Professor Ankit Katuria from Northwest University, South Africa, was the guest of honor. And of course, Professor Sasmita Samant, the director of the seminar, was the present. The other, in 9 technical sessions, the eminent personalities like Professor Bijay Sastria from Delhi University, Professor Shamsan Marana from Utkal University, Professor H.K. Singh from Banaras Hindu University, Professor Mitali Chanara from Utkal University, Professor S.C. Kumar, former professor, Sanjeev Kumar Jena from Itanagar, Professor Devamitra Mitra from North Bengal, Professor K.K. Basa from the Bhopal, Mohammad Khalid from Aligarh, Professor R.K. Ball from Utkal, Professor Bishambar Mishra from Sikkim, Professor T.K. Pani from Ravenshaw, Professor Santosh Mahapatra from Guwahati, Professor Sampad Sai from Pondicherry, Professor Naveen Mathur from Jaipur, Professor J.K. Jain from Sagar, and many other dignitaries. They have joined us and presented their viewpoints on different aspects. So, with this, once again, I welcome all the functions of the 2 days international seminar COVID-19 Live and Livelihood. Thank you. Thank you very much.